how to use Apple Pay without SSN or Social Security number. Now, to provide you better resolution and a deep information about setting up applications on your Apple device, the answer for that is you do not actually need to provide your SSN or your Social Security number setting up or using your Apple Pay. You might tapped on the wrong information because only Apple Card asks for your Social Security number setting up your Apple Card. However, if you're going to be using Apple Cash or Apple Pay, you no longer need to provide SSN, your Social Security number, as long as you're within the United States. To do so, just open up your iPhone, go to the Settings app, tap on your wallet and Apple Pay, and then simply tap on Verify Identity. Choose your preferred payment method and set it up on your end. That is how you use Apple Pay without SSN.